Hi everyone, it's been a long time. Hi. I hope everyone is fine. I hope you've been doing good. I've been lost for quite a long while. I've been really busy. That's why you've not seen me online, but I'm back again today. We are having fall right now, and the weather has drastically changed. We've gone from summer to fall. It's getting really cold, and I have my fall pullover here. I love this pullover, and yeah, it's beautiful. I just love the statement. Maybe you can see what is written over here. Lazy day. Yeah, that's a cool statement. Anyway, guys, I hope everyone is fine. Thanks for joining me tonight. I just wanted to talk something very briefly, and I wanted to tell you people about what I was, what my dream career was before I got to what I'm doing now. Just to encourage my girls and my gentlemen out there who have done their high school, who have graduated and are out there for the job market. Do not give up, because sometimes that what you think you will be is most probably not what you're gonna be. Like, for example, I was dying, and my dream career was to be a journalist. I was, oh my god, I was just that girl who would sleep and wake up and think like, wow, I wanna be. I remember those days. I so much wanted to be like Kanzedena. I think she was one of the uh, presenter in the TV those days, and I was dying to be her. Oh my god, you can imagine I was so much into journalism. And apparently, that's not what I am today. Those are like 10 or 12 years back. So, wherever you are, if you get a chance in another branch, don't give up. Stick there and do what is there for you. You know why? I even joined. I remember I applied for school in the Kenya Mass Institute of. I can't remember the school, but it's somewhere in Nairobi in South B, and that's where I was supposed to join my journalism course in the Kenya Mass. And shortly before I went there, there came this chance of doing something different, and this is what I went to. And I remember my mom also did facilitate me to leaving mass media and go to that what I am doing today. And it just came randomly, and I was like, what? Should I do that? Well, not really. So I remember my auntie, my mom told me, please, girl, go and do this. This is what we want you to do. This is something good for you. No competition over there. Move from mass media and go into the other stuff. And I was going like, okay, why should I do this? I so much want to do blah 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 media and stuff and production and mass media and journalism and all that stuff. But guess what? The school was paid, the course was paid to go where I was supposed to go according to my mom's opinion, and I went there. Well, I stuck there. I started the course and did it, and moved on and moved on. And along the way, I came to like what I was doing, and this is what I am today. Ask me about journalism. I am not even dreaming. I don't feel like I lost anything. I don't think there's something that I passed. I just feel, wow, I'm happy to be where I am today. I'm happy to do what I am doing right now, right here. And I'm glad that my auntie or my mom facilitated me to have to do that what I am doing now and leave journalism or mass media and stuff. I'm not discouraging anyone from not doing journalism or stuff, but I just want to tell you, if for example you just hear from your elders, from your your parents, your relatives, if you just hear them, they speak out of experience. And sometimes us young people, we are so confused about life. We do not know, we have no experience, and we jump from one place to the next just because you had, or your friends and stuff. Don't follow that. Do what your wise people tell you. Anyway, I'm happy where I am today. I'm happy about my career. I am proud of myself, and I'm proud of my mom, my auntie, and everybody else who supported me to be where I am right now. I can only recommend everyone and advise young people, young girls, young women out there, young generation out there, please do things that are going to help you in life. Okay, leave those things where you have to compete with millions and millions of people. Leave that and move to somewhere else where the competition is not really not really stuffed. Okay, these are the places where you have the chances for you even to come out and bring up that quality of that something you're doing. So with those few words, I want to leave you guys and wish you all a good night and a happy evening.